To get started, remove the tray from your box. This contains your remote control and power cable. Now remove your Dyson personal purifying fan and place it on a soft surface. You'll find the serial number on the bottom of the machine. Use it to activate your Dyson warranty on the Dyson website. Place your machine on a stable, flat surface and plug it in. Turn it on using either the button on the back or the remote control. To change the direction of airflow, place your hand on the dome. Slide the dome away from you to move the airflow upwards, and towards you to move the airflow downwards. Use the remote control to quickly adjust airflow speed, or to turn on oscillation. The machine rotates from side to side to deliver airflow through a 70-degree range. Press the button again to turn off oscillation. To keep cool and comfortable while you rest, press the sleep timer button, then select the amount of time you want your machine to run for. Cycle through the remaining options to cancel the sleep timer. The remote control attaches magnetically, so you always know where it is.